This easy OfficeLogix Shop tutorial will show you how to quickly change your Herman Miller Aeron seat bolts or hip pivot bolts, two names for the same part. All you need is a replacement seat bolt and a hex screwdriver, and you'll be ready to start the process. Insert the hex screwdriver into the seat bolt and loosen it until you're able to remove it. Once you remove the old seat bolt, get the new one and insert it as shown. You can notice that there are two vertical slots where the bolt can easily fit. If you're replacing both seat bolts, then it's recommended to tighten one side just a little bit. Then once you insert and fully tighten the other side, you can fully tighten the first side. With that, you've successfully replaced your seat bolts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.